How to auto scroll on Instagram Reels. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I will simply guide you on how you can auto scroll on Instagram Reels. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now I understand what you're talking about. You open up Instagram, you go to Reels. Instead of just playing this video in loop, you want it to auto scroll just automatically after the video ends. Well, let me tell you that on the Instagram app officially there isn't a direct way that you can actually do that, but there is still a way you can do without using your hands on your iPhone. So for this, what you actually have to do is just open settings application on your iPhone. Once you open the settings application on your iPhone, go to the option called accessibility. Once you go to accessibility, look for the option called voice control over here, as you can see. Then just tap on it, then turn on voice control. Now once you turn on voice control, I want you to go ahead and then open up the Instagram application. Now just come to Reels. Now you can see the microphone icon at the very top. It means that our iPhone is listening to us. Now you want to simply command the iPhone, let me tell, swipe up. So you can see Instagram basically swiped up itself. Now automatically it cannot scroll, but if we tell swipe up, then of course it is going to scroll itself. Swipe up. So as you can see, it is actually swiping up. Swipe down. So see, you can also see the command at the very top. So if you want to turn this off, you can just turn off voice control. There isn't a way to do it from the Instagram app because they haven't added the feature. Not only on Instagram, even on TikTok and even on YouTube Shorts, you cannot do that. But this is the only way that you can do without using your hands. So I hope this video helped you answer the question. If it did help answer your question, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.